In a quaint medieval village, the annual Herbal Festival is in full swing. Aromatic scents of fresh herbs fill the air as villagers gather to celebrate nature's bounty. Lively music echoes through the cobblestone streets, with herbalists sharing their knowledge of ancient remedies and potions. Children dance with blooming flowers, their laughter blending with the gentle rustle of leaves. Under the warm sun, all worries dissolve, and the spirit of community comes alive, creating a serene atmosphere perfect for relaxation and meditation.